I'm so excited that Patrick is liking swinging. Yeah, you can pump in that swing too. Although there are big kid swings available now. But I like you guys right next to each other. Yay, Patrick! You haven't wanted to swing for months and months. Hold on tight, buddy. There you go. Whee! Oh, you're flying. Oh, fly high in the sky. Whee! This is your captain speaking. Captain Eleanor. Who needs a push? Good holding on, buddy. Ready? Whee! Whee! Here you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Blast off! It makes me ridiculously happy that you're swinging, buddy. Whee! That's fun.
Thank you for having us. This is your captain speaking. Thank you for having a safe flight on airline.
Thank you for choosing Eleanor Airlines.
I'm happy to thank you. I love you.
You love your passengers?
You're my co-pilot.
Here we go. Ready?
I love you to the
1,
co-pilot.
2, 3. Is Patrick your co-pilot? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Can you say woohoo, Patrick? Woohoo!
Captain, come in. This is the captain. Thank you for having a safe flight on airline. And I'm glad you choose Elite Airlines.
Elite Airlines.
Mama, you be my passenger.
I would love to be your passenger.